In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see followers on the LinkedIn app. Navigating the professional landscape on LinkedIn becomes much easier when you understand who's following you and engaging with your content. Whether you're looking to grow your professional network or just curious about who's interested in your profile, seeing your followers can provide valuable insights. First off, let's start by accessing LinkedIn. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the LinkedIn website. If you're not already logged in, you'll see the options to either sign in with Google or to continue with your existing LinkedIn account. Choose the option that best suits you and log in to proceed. Once you're logged in and on your LinkedIn homepage, look for the My Network icon. It's usually located towards the top of the page and is your gateway to your professional network on LinkedIn. Go ahead and click on it. Upon clicking My Network, the next step is to manage your network more closely. You'll see an option for Manage My Network. This function allows you to delve into the nitty-gritty of your LinkedIn connections, following and followers. Click on Manage My Network to continue. After selecting to manage your network, your next focus is on your followers and who you are following. Look for the section that says Following and Followers. This will enable you to view both the individuals you're following and those who are following you. By clicking on this, you're a step closer to seeing your audience. Finally, to specifically see your followers, click on the Followers option. This will take you to a dedicated page listing everyone who follows you on LinkedIn. Here you can see their names, professions, and even how you're connected. It's an excellent opportunity to explore potential networking opportunities and to understand better the demographic of professionals interested in your profile. Remember, the connections you foster on LinkedIn can significantly impact your professional journey. By understanding who your followers are, you can tailor your content, engage more effectively, and ultimately expand your professional network in meaningful ways. So, take the time to explore your followers on LinkedIn. You might be surprised by who's interested in your professional journey and the opportunities that could arise from simply knowing your audience better. Happy networking!